Hi and welcome to this new video of organizing photographs. In the last video, I showed you how I organize my photographs in Lightroom. I will be starting a new series of videos in which I will explain you how to organize the photographs, how to create the catalogs, how to create the folders and the collections. In today's video, we will see what are catalogs and how they are created. Basically, catalog in Lightroom are the database file. Every single file that we import in the Lightroom has its information stored in the catalog. This information includes the location of the file, the rating of the files, and all the edited or processing that we do on the photograph. All these things are stored in the form of database in the catalog. The catalog does not contain the original photographs. So the original photographs are always on the hard drive and catalog has only the database of that original photographs. Therefore, Lightroom does not consume the memory of the PC. Lightroom does not modify the original photograph. The original photographs remains as it is. So, let us start with the video. Let us open Lightroom. Initially, when Lightroom opens for the first time, it creates a default catalog named Lightroom. On the left hand side upper corner of the screen, you can see the name of the catalog in which Lightroom is open. Here you can see Lightroom. This catalog by default is stored in picture folder of the PC. You can see here in the picture folder the Lightroom catalog created just now. Along with Lightroom catalog, there are few other catalogs created by me. This is interior catalog which contains my interior photographs. This is landscape catalog which contains all the landscape photographs. This contains my personal photographs and this catalog I have dedicated to wildlife photographs. I will open one of the catalog, say this one, the landscape catalog. The landscape catalog is open and now you can see all the landscape photographs in the central panel. On the top left corner, you can see the name of the catalog in which Lightroom is open. Here landscape can be seen. Now I will create a new catalog. Here I will click on new catalog. A window will open. By default, the catalog will be saved in the picture folder. This location can be changed as per your requirements. The name of the folder to be entered here. I will name the catalog as Trial Catalog and click Create. The Lightroom will relaunch in the new catalog. The new catalog is created. On the left side upper corner, you can see the newly created catalog's name, that is the Trial Catalog. It can be seen in the picture folder. A new catalog is created with the name Trial Catalog. The Lightroom is non-destructive software. Let us check this. I have a folder on desktop with name NITEEN in which I have a raw photograph. I will import this photograph in Lightroom. The photo is now imported. Now I will edit this photo. First I will crop this photo, then adjust the temperature for blue sky, increase little exposure, I will decrease the highlights and that's it. Now I will export this photo. You can see here the destination of the folder will be in the desktop folder named NITEEN. I will name this file as kite edited. Now let us open the folder on the desktop. In the folder, Previously we had only one photograph and now we have two photos. The previous photo is as it is and other one is the edited photo. The original photograph is unchanged. This proves that Lightroom keeps your original photographs as it is. Therefore, Lightroom is non-destructive software. Hope that this video will help you to create your own catalog of wildlife or any other catalog, whatever name you want to give. If you have any suggestions or questions, write in the comment box. If you find the video useful, please like and share the video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.